Play Trader, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today made a very nice move. I can't imagine anybody sitting around saying, no, today wasn't, today the price wasn't nice. Everyone would agree, good, solid move. But that does lead into the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength behind this bounce, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that's why I love charts. Makes things very straightforward. And that level is down here at the $1.15 mark. Why is the $1.15 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.15. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game, right? You want to see prices making progress forward, and I'm just defining quote-unquote progress as $1.15. So in my mind, if you've connected those dots, definitely $1.15 key level of support. Now, what about levels of resistance? Big one right now that I think the price knocked its head against. I'm not quite sure. Yep, right there at $1.27, which makes perfect sense. Why do I say that makes perfect sense? Well, if you look back through the history of the chart, you can see rejected a couple more times, and then rejected right here. So again, I'm not saying that $1.27 can't be broken. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price is struggling around that area. So $1.27 current key level of resistance. If the price can push through there, then the next key overall one to keep an eye on is going to be that pink line up there, which is the 200 period simple moving average. But one step at a time. First got to get up above the $1.27 mark. So all in all, nice day today, no doubt about it. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this bounce going forward? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interested and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.